Good morning, children. Today in this class you will learn statistics. What is statistics? Statistics means collecting data and organizing it in a proper way and representing through bar graph, pictograph, histogram, frequency polygon and frequency curve. So collection, organization and representation of data, statistics. Okay, in class 9th already we have learned statistics, how to find mean, median and mode of ungrouped data. Mean means sum of the observations by number of observations. Median, to find median, first we need to arrange the data in ascending or descending order of magnitude. The middle value is called median. If the number of observations is odd, we get one and only one middle value, it is median. If the number of observations is even, we get two middle values, their average is median. Now mode. Most frequently occurring observation is called mode. Otherwise, the observation with the highest frequency. Okay, now in class 10th, you will learn how to find mean, median, mode of grouped data. These mean, median and mode are called measures of central tendency. We have three values. Those are mean, median and mode. So entire statistics is depending on these three values. So these are called measures of central tendency. Now to find mean, in class 10th we have three methods. First method is a direct method. Sigma fx by sigma f. Assumed mean method, a plus sigma fd by sigma f. Step deviation method, a plus sigma fu by sigma f into h. Here what is f, what is x, what is d, what is u, what is h, all these I will explain while doing the problems. Now find mean of the following in direct method. Class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and 50 to 60. Frequency 2, 5, 7, 8, 4 and 4. Let us find its mean in direct method. So to find mean in direct method, first we have to prepare a tabular form. In first column we will take class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and 50 to 60. In second column we will take frequency 2, 5, 7, 8, 4 and 4. Now let us add all the frequencies, that is denoted by sigma f. 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 7 14, plus 8 22, 26, 30. So sigma f is 30. Now next column we will take class marks. They are denoted by x. Now 0 to 10 class mark. Class mark means lower limit plus upper limit by 2. 0 plus 10 by 2, that is equal to 5. 10 plus 20 by 2. 30, 30 by 2 is 15. In the same way, you will get 25, 35, 45 and 55. Now, next column is f into x. You are multiplying second and third columns. 2 into 5, 10. 15 into 5, 75. 25 into 7, 175. 35 into 8, 8 5s are 40, 8 3s are 24 plus 4, 28. 45 into 4, that is 180. 55 into 4, 220. Now I am adding all these. Sigma fx is equal to, adding all units digits. 5 plus 5, 10. 1 is carried. 3, 11, 19, 26, 33, 34, 3 plus 2, 5, 6, 8, 9. So sigma fx is 940. Now mean is equal to sigma fx by sigma f. We use this formula to find the mean of grouped data in direct method. Sigma fx value 940 by 30. This 0, 0 cancel. That is equal to 94 by 3. That is equal to 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, point 1 is left. 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. It will be continued. So mean of the given data is 31.33. Now let us do this problem. Find the mean of the following in assumed mean method. Class intervals are given, frequencies also given. So in first column we will take class intervals. Second column frequency. Third column class marks 0, 10. Class mark is 0 plus 10 by 2, 5. 10 plus 20 by 2, 15. 20 plus 30 by 2, 25. 30 plus 40 by 2, 35. 40 plus 50 by 2, 45. 50 plus 60 by 2, 55. Okay. Now these are class marks. We have to take any one of these class marks as A. Any one we can take as A. So I am taking 25 as A value. Now next column is D, that is equal to x minus A. D means deviation. X minus A. These are all x values. A means 25. So x minus A means 5 minus 25. That is equal to minus 20. Now 15 minus 25. That is equal to minus 10. 25 minus 25, 0. 35 minus 25, 10. 45 minus 25, 20. 55 minus 25, 30. Okay. Now next column is F into D. These are all frequencies. These are D values. So 2 into minus 20, minus 40. 5 into minus 10, minus 50. 7 into 0, 0. 8 into 10, 80. 4 into 20, 80. 4 into 30, 120. Now let us add all these. That is sigma FD. Minus 40, minus 50. These two are negative integers. Their total is minus 90. These three are positive integers. Their total is 280. So now 280 minus 90. That is equal to 190. Now mean is equal to A plus sigma FD by sigma F. That is equal to, here A value is 25 plus sigma FD 190 by sigma F 30. 0, 0 cancelled. So 25 plus 19 by 3. That is equal to 25 plus 3 6 are 18. 1 is left. 3 3s are 3 3s are. That is equal to 31.33. Next problem. Find mean of the following in step deviation method. Class intervals, frequencies are given. So in first column we take class intervals. Second column frequency. Third column class marks. Fourth column D, that is x minus A values. Now fifth column we will take U, that is equal to x minus A by H. You observed all the values of D. Those are all multiples of 10. We can divide all those numbers by 10. So here H value is 10. So if we divide all these numbers by 10, we get minus 20. That is minus 20 by 10. That is equal to minus 2. Minus 10 by 10, minus 1. 0. 10 by 10, 1. 20 by 10, 2. 30 by 10, 3. Next column is FU. Now 2 into minus 2, minus 4. 5 into minus 1, minus 5. 7 into 0, 0. 8 into 1, 8. 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 3, 12. Now let us find sum of FU, sigma FU, that is equal to minus 5 minus 4, that is minus 9. Now 12 plus 8, 20, 20 plus 8 is 28. Now 28 minus 9, that is equal to 19. Now, so mean is equal to A plus sigma Fu by sigma F into H. Here A value is 25 plus sigma Fu value is 19 by 30 into 10. Here H value is 10. So this 0 will get cancelled. Is equal to 25 plus 19 by 3. That is equal to 25 plus, this is 3 6 are 18, 3 3s are 3 3s are, that is equal to 31.33. Next sum. Find mode of the following. Class intervals, frequencies are given. So we will take in first column class intervals and in second column frequencies. Mode. The observation with the highest frequency is called mode. Here what is the highest frequency? 8. So we will underline that class. So it is lower limit of the modal class. 30, that is lower limit of the modal class. 30 to 40, it is modal class. 8, it is frequency of the modal class. So this is F0, F1, F2. F1, frequency of the modal class. F0, frequency preceding to the modal class. F2, frequency succeeding to the modal class. Okay, now formula for mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Here L value is 30. L means lower limit of the modal class, that is 30. F1 minus F0, 8 minus 7. 2F1, 2 into 8 minus F0, 7 minus F2, 4 into H. Height of the class or class size, that is 30 minus 20 or 20 minus 10, 20 minus 10, 50 minus 4. Difference between two consecutive lower limits or difference between two consecutive upper limits, that is H value. So here it is equal to 10. This is equal to 30 plus 8 minus 7 is 1 into this 10 by 2 8 is 16 minus 7 minus 4 is equal to 30 plus 1 into 10 is 10 by 16 minus 7, 9 minus 4 is equal to 30 plus 10, 9 minus 4, 5. So we can cancel this. 5 ones, 5 twos. That is equal to 30 plus 2 is equal to 32. That is mode of the given data. Now find median of the following. Class intervals 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and 50 to 60. Frequency 2, 5, 7, 8, 4 and 4. So we will take in first column class intervals, second column frequency, in third column we will find LCF, means less than cumulative frequency. How to find less than cumulative frequency? Observe it. Here same frequency. Now we will add first two frequencies. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus this 7, 14. 14 plus this 8, 22. 22 plus this 4, 26. 26 plus 4, 30. Okay, so here sum of the frequency is denoted by n, that is equal to 30. N value is 30. N is equal to 30 implies n by 2 is equal to 15 n by 2, the observation which divides given observations exactly into two parts is called median. So it is the middle observation, 15th observation. Now we will see 15th observation in LCF. Here up to 2 observations are there, up to 7 observations, up to 14 observations. Now 15th observation will be here, 14 to 22 observations will be here. So we will underline this class. 15th observation lies between 14 and 22. So this will become the median class. So this is L value. 30 is L value, lower limit of the median class. 30 to 40, class interval of the median. Next, 8, frequency of the median class. 14, that is cumulative frequency preceding to the median class. So formula for median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Let us substitute values in this one. L value 30, n by 2 15 minus CF 14 by F 8 into height, class size, that is 10. This is equal to 30 plus 15 minus 14, 1 into 10 by 8. This is equal to 30 plus 10 by 8. 2 4s are 2 5s are. So this is equal to 30 plus 5 by 4 is equal to 30 plus 5 by 4. 4 1s are 4. 1 is left. 4 2s are 8. 2 is left. 4 5s are 20. That is equal to 31.25.